Silver Forecast Midweek Update, Wednesday, December 17th, 2025. Good morning and welcome back to Silver Forecast. This is our midweek update, and so far, the market is doing exactly what we said it would do. Let's start with the numbers. Silver is trading at $65.92. Gold sits at $4,319.88. Copper is holding strong at $5.32 per pound, and the US dollar index is at 98.57. Last weekend, in our full silver forecast, we laid out a very specific roadmap. We said that as long as the DXY stayed weak, particularly below 99, silver could press into the $65 to $66 Fibonacci extension zone. That is exactly where we are now. Silver is sitting right at the top of our Fibonacci extension, between $65 and $66, precisely in line with the forecast we put out before the week even began. That matters because forecasting isn't about guessing. It's about identifying repeatable market behavior. And once again, the weekly rhythm has held. Buying pressure came out of Asia late Sunday into early week. Momentum carried us higher into Tuesday. And now, here on Wednesday morning, price action remains constructive. At the time of this update, silver and gold are still pushing higher, not consolidating. The only potential early signal to monitor is the US dollar index. The DXY has lifted modestly from its 98.0 low to 98.57 this morning. That move does not signal a reversal, but it is the first leading indicator that could eventually introduce midweek consolidation if it continues higher. As of now, however, buyers remain in control. We saw something very similar last week. Silver pressed into resistance, paused in, and then made a decision. Now the question becomes, does silver continue to press higher, or does consolidation arrive later in the week? Here's what we're watching for the rest of the week. Several volatility catalysts are now in play. Jobs data has already been released. Retail sales data is active. CPI remains part of the inflation narrative. And on Friday, we have options expiration. Historically, that combination often brings choppy price action and short-term pressure, especially when prices are sitting at known technical resistance. If the weekly rhythm holds, the most likely path is this: strength early and midweek, potential volatility into Friday, and then either continued upside or a controlled consolidation if the dollar firms further. So here are the scenarios. If the DXY stays below 99, silver can hold above 64.50 and remain structurally bullish. A clean break and hold above 66 would open the door to the next Fibonacci extension and confirm that this rally is not finished. If the DXY rebounds modestly, we could see silver consolidate between 63 and 65. Not weakness, but digestion after a powerful move. And if we do see short-term pressure around options expiration, any pullback into support should be viewed as part of a bullish continuation pattern, not a trend reversal. Gold remains strong, copper remains strong, and the dollar remains historically weak. The macro backdrop has not changed. Silver is doing exactly what it has done for the last 7 weeks, respecting the rhythm, respecting the technicals, and rewarding those who are paying attention. As always, this is not financial advice. This is market analysis, technical structure, and probability. We'll be watching Friday closely, and we'll be back with a full weekend review and outlook. Until then, stay sharp, stay patient, and stay grounded. This is Silver Forecast Midweek Update.